On the air, there's a feeling of Christmas. Hi folks, Stuffer here to tell you about the big new Christmas show here on Spreaker. It's Stuffer's Sounds of the Season, Yuletide favorites for the holidays. All throughout December, I'll be spinning Christmas cheer from all sorts of artists in every genre. From the classics to rock, pop to jazz, acoustic to orchestra, and everything in between, will provide the perfect soundtrack to your holiday season. All December long, watch for the listings on Facebook and join me on the air for all the holiday fun. It's Stuffer's Sounds of the Season, right here on Spreaker Web Radio.